Hi, my name is Rajiv Kumar and welcome to online Korean language classes. Today we'll teach you the time, how to say time in Korean. Okay, Bhumika see. So today you will learn about time, how to say time in Korean language. Okay, so let's start.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so let's start the time. Okay, so in Korean, time
Okay.
you can write that time is for Sigan. Okay. So in Korean, you can write time that is called Sigan. Sigan.
See,
Yeah. Sigan.
cigar.
Sigan means time. Okay. So now, so
Okay.
there are in normal watch, there is 12 hours time, right? One
Yes.
to 12 hours. Okay. So now we will know
Yeah.
the how to call it, how to say time. Suppose one o'clock, 2 o'clock. How we will say in Korean language. Okay. So it is very simple.
Okay.
Okay, it is very simple. It is just counting number. Okay. Just I am writing here
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay.
12.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there are only 12 times, right? So how we say, I'll write here, and then you just repeat after me. Okay.
Okay.
So it will be like that. 1 is a number. Okay. In Korean, this is Han. This is Han. Okay. Han.
Han.
Han. And you just put the
Han.
C. C. Okay.
C.
C means time as well. Okay, so if you say C, then it is
Okay.
Hansi. Together, if you say this together, then it is Hansi. Okay, Hansi.
Han. C.
Hansi
Okay.
means 1 o'clock. 1
Okay.
o'clock. Okay.
Clock.
1 o'clock. Okay. Now, second is
Okay.
2. So 2 in Korean, the number 2, this is called do in pure Korean. Okay. So it is do.
Okay.
Okay. Do. Okay. And again, you just
Do.
add the suffix.
C.
Not suffix. This is time. Add the time. Counting number, counting unit of time is C.
C.
Okay. C is the counting unit for time. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So it is dhusi. If you say together, then it is dhusi. So this is in English 2 o'clock.
2C.
Yeah, 2 o'clock.
Clock.
Okay. 2 o'clock. Okay. Next is 3. That is in pure Korean. 3 number is called set. Okay. Set.
Set.
In pure Korean. Okay. This after this, we will
Okay.
teach you the counting numbers. Okay. How we count the numbers in Korean. So this is called set.
Okay.
Okay. Say. So
Set.
say C. Okay. Say
Okay. Say
means
C.
3. Means 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Okay. Now 4
Okay.
is 4 is called net in pure Koreans. 4 number is called in Korean language, that is net in pure Korean counting number. Okay.
Okay.
So here when we use in time, then it is only we have to use ne sound. Ne. Okay. Ne.
Okay.
Ne. Okay. And we'll put counting
Oh. C.
times counting with C. Okay, that is Nasi. Okay. Nesi means
Nesi.
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
Yeah. 4 o'clock. Okay. Now 5. Okay. So in pure Korean, 5 number is called dhasot. Okay. Here we have to read full dhasot. Dhasot. Okay, like this.
So,
Yeah, dhasot. This
okay.
this so is below consonant so is pachim, and this pachim sounds ta sound. So it is dhasot.
The sound.
So full if you read
Dasot.
it, yeah, so it is dhasot. So just put the times counting unit C. So it is dhasot C.
C.
Yeah, so full
Dasot C.
dhasot C. Okay, so 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Okay, next is 6th. Okay, 6 you said in pure Korean, that is yosok. Okay,
Yosot.
yosok. Okay, so just put the
Yosot.
times, yosok. Just put the times counting in C. So yosok C means 6 o'clock in Korean. In English, 6 o'clock. Okay.
Yosot C. 6
Yes.
o'clock.
Yes.
Okay.
Next is 7 is called in Korean language ilgok. Okay, ilgok.
Ilgo.
Yeah, ilgok. Ilgok.
Okay.
Okay. So you just add the times counting in it C. That is total is ilgok C. Okay.
Okay. Ilgop C.
Yeah, means 7 o'clock. Means 7 o'clock. Okay. Next is 8. So 8 is called in pure Korean number yodal. Okay.
Yodol.
Yeah, yodal. Yodal. Okay. Means 8 in pure Korean counting number. Okay. You just put the C counting unit for time. So it is 8 o'clock in English. Okay. 8 o'clock.
Yodol C.
Yeah. 8 o'clock. Next is 9. Okay. So pure Korean number 9 is called aho. Okay.
Aho.
Aho. Like this. Okay. Aho. So you just put the time counting with C.
C.
So it is aho C. Okay. This is aho C. So it is 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Yeah. Next is 10. So 10 is called in pure Korean number Yol. Okay.
Yol.
Yol. Yol means 10 in pure Korean counting number. Okay. Always time
Okay.
is call in only counting number for pure Korean only. Okay. So Yol is for 10 in pure Korean counting number. So this is
Okay.
Yol C means 10 o'clock.
Yol. Yol C. 10 o'clock.
Yeah, 10 o'clock. Okay. Next is 11. Right. So 11
Yes.
is called in pure Korean. That is, you have to just add now the yol plus 1. After 10, you can add this. How this is say? This is Han, right? Han means 1.
Yes.
Right? Han
1.
in pure Korean. Okay. So now this is 10 plus 1, right? 11,
Yeah.
right? 10 plus 1, 11. So 10 is
Yes.
Yol in Korean, 10 is
Yol.
Yol, and you just put Han. So
Han.
Yolhan.
Yolhan.
Yeah, Yolhan C. Okay, so it means,
Yolhan C.
yeah, it means 11 o'clock in English.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, next is 12. Same. Yol means 10 plus 2 is 12, right? So you just say,
Yes.
write in
Yol.
Yol, Yoldu, Yoldu,
Yoldu.
Yoldu, and add
Yoldu
time
C.
counting unit C. So Yoldu C means 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Yoldu C means 12 o'clock. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next. So now you know the from 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock how you say in Korean. So once again, just read it, and then we'll write sometimes and we will read it again. Okay. So read it.
Okay. 1 Hansi, 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
2C, 2 o'clock. Say C, 3 o'clock. Nasi, 4 o'clock. Dasotsi, 5 o'clock. Yosotsi, 6 o'clock. Ilgopsi, 7 o'clock. Yodolsi, 8 o'clock. Ahopsi, 9 o'clock. Yolsi, 10 o'clock.
Good. Next.
Yolhansi, 11 o'clock. Yoldusi, 12 o'clock.
Good. Very good. So now I'll write some time like 8:30 a.m. Okay. A.m. And one more thing I'll tell you that this is a.m. Okay, and there is p.m. right into metric.
Yeah.
Right? So a.m. is
Yes.
called in Korean, that is ojon. Okay, ojon. Okay, ojon.
Ojon.
And yeah, and p.m.
Okay.
is called ohu. Okay.
Ohu.
Yes. Okay. So before 12:30.
Yeah.
Sorry, before 12 in the afternoon, before 12 in the afternoon, that is all will be ojon. Okay. And after 12,
Ojon.
like
Okay.
12, this one, 12 p.m. Okay. 12 p.m.
Yeah.
And this is 12 a.m. Okay. So basically in the time that
Okay.
will be in 24 hours time, this 12 will be not written, that will be 0 written, right? In
Yeah.
24 hours, you see in the flight's time or your railways time, right? There is 24,
Yes.
24 time is written in 24 hours, okay? But in day-to-day, life, we use only AM, PM, right?
Yes.
So it will be after 12:01 a.m. till 11, right? 11:59 a.m. Okay, so we all in between all the times will be in AM. Okay, right? You know already. And after 12 p.m.
Yes,
to
sir.
11:59 p.m. will be in Ohu. Okay, but in general that
Yeah.
will be night. We say night. Okay, bam, bam. So bam. Ahopsi, bam, yolsi, like that we say. Okay, we not use Ohu that time,
Okay.
night. Okay, generally. Okay, after
Okay.
before 6, before or 7, Choniok means evening. Okay, so Choniok, Ilgopsi, Choniok, Yodolsi, like that. And night after 10, then we say Bam, Yolhansi, Yoldosi, like that. Okay, so Ojon is for morning time.
Bam.
Yeah, Achim. We use Achim, right? Achim, Dasotsi,
Okay.
Achim, like that. Okay. So,
Okay. Okay.
for example,
Yeah.
8 a.m., how you say in Korean that, okay. So, you say in Korean,
Yeah.
Ojon, we have to add O. Okay, Ojon. O, Ojon, Yodolsi. You just write the time, numbers only is fine, Korean as well. Okay, no need to write full. You can write in
Okay.
both way. You can write in both way. You can write also Yodol in Korean language as well. See, the number which is picture is same as we write in English, right? But when we read it,
Yeah.
then we read it in Korean language. That is Yodolsi. Okay,
Okay.
understood?
Okay.
So number we can write in
Yes, sir.
this one only as we a standard number. Okay, this is in pictures 8.
Okay.
Then just only we read it Yodolsi. Ojon Yodolsi. Okay, and then
Yeah.
30 it is Sam.
30.
Sam. Sam
Some.
Pun, but we can write in English as well, and we can put minute for Pun. Pun. Okay, minute is Pun. So it is Ojon
Bun.
Samsipun. Okay. Or you can put here Yodolsi like that.
Okay.
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 Yodolsi. Okay. This is for your reference. Okay. You can write it or you can not write it. Okay. That is fine. Totally. Just for reading purpose. Yodolsi and Samsipun. Okay.
Okay.
Sam, this is in pure Korean. Sam Sipun is for in pure Korean. We'll teach you in the next number, then you will understand how it is. Okay, Sam.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
Sam Sipun. Sam Sip.
Some Sibun.
Yeah. Okay.
Some Sibun.
So now you can read Ojon Yodolsi Sam Sipun in Korean. That is fine.
Sibun.
Okay.
Okay.
Next, we
Yes,
take
sir.
example for 9:45 in the evening, like 9:45 p.m.
45.
p.m. Okay, p.m. So how we call it in Korean language? Ohu, ohu,
Uhu.
ohu, ahopsi. You can write number also, no, fine, okay. And we'll just say
Okay.
ahop,
Hope. See.
ahopsi. And then sa sipobun. Sa, okay, sa sip o, o, that is in Sino-Korean, okay. So you say it in a 45 is, okay, sa sip o, okay,
Okay.
sa sip o, then pun, okay. Pun means minute, Okay, the number is sa sip o. Okay, o means 5 in
Sasip.
o pun o bun. Okay, sa
Obun.
sip o bun.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So fine. Okay. So now we'll learn the numbers. Okay. So let me open.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So learn this number. Read it one. This one numerals. How we call in numbers. Okay. Read it.
Korean has two kind of numericals, pure Korean and Sino-Korean. There is a particular system for using Sino-Korean and pure Korean numbers. Pure Korean is used for counting small units like time, age, etc. Whereas Sino-Korean is used for counting big units like currency or sometimes for general overall counting procedure.
Okay. So here it is written that pure. There are two types of numerals. Okay. Number is same, but we say in a two methods, two way. Okay. There is one is pure Korean and one is Sino-Korean. Okay. One is pure Korean, one is Sino-Korean. And then pure Korean is used for counting small units below hundreds like time and age. Okay, age is below 100. Generally, general people's age is below 100 right now, right?
Yeah.
So time and age
Yes.
we can say in pure Korean, and then whereas Sino-Korean used for counting big numbers, big units like currency, like crores and millions and billions. That currency we can say in Sino-Korean. Okay, and some
Okay. Okay.
some counting procedure like how we read it time, right? How we read time. This one,
Yeah.
Samsipobun, right?
Yes.
Samsipobun, Samsip. Okay, so this small sum we can use in time as well. Okay. Mm.
Okay.
Okay, so now read it. Pure Korean numerals. So how I have written there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same it is written here in pure Korean because time is
Okay.
calling pure Korean. Okay. So read this one.
Okay. Hana. Hana, Dul, Set, Net, Dasot, Yosot, Ilgop, Yodob,
Yodol.
Yodol,
Mm.
Ahob, Yol,
Mm.
Yol Hana, Yol
Mm.
Dul, Si
Sumal.
Sum, Sumul,
Mm. Soran.
Seran,
Soran.
Soran,
Mm.
Soran, Mahan,
Mm.
uh,
Swing.
Si
Shivan.
Sivan,
Shivan. Mm.
Sivan. Okay.
Mm.
Yosun,
Yesum.
Yesun,
Mm.
uh, Il Ilhan,
If you say it together, then it is Irhan. Okay, Irhan.
Ir Irhan.
Yeah, but same rule. Okay. Next
Okay,
is
okay.
next is
Yodan,
Yodan. Mm.
Yodan, Ahan.
Good. So till 90 we can say it is in pure Korean. Okay, till 99 you can say pure Korean. Okay, so this just for example, it is
Okay.
written in till 90. You can make it and write it and memorize it. Okay. So small counting numbers you can use in pure Korean numerals. Okay, now move to Sino-Korean numerals. Okay. So this is Sino-Korean. Okay, Sino-Korean. So read it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 8. Read it.
Il,
Mhm.
I, Sam, Sa, O, Yuk, Chil, Fal, Gu, Sib, Sib Il, Sib E,
So
E,
here, Isip,
yes.
Samsip, Sasip, Osip,
Samsip,
Yuksip,
Sasip,
Chilsip, Falsip, Gusip, Bag,
Falsip, Sip,
yeah, Bag, Chon,
Bag,
Man,
Sek, Chon, Man,
Simman,
Sibman,
Backman.
Sibman,
This is Simman, this is
Backman,
Backman.
Beckman, Chonman,
Ok.
Auk,
So it is
Auk.
so it is 10 million. Okay, 10 million is Ok.
Okay.
So pure Sino-Korean is easy to memorize. Okay, see here till sip, and then when you start to 11, then sip, il first. Okay, sip is 10, il is first. Then 12, sip, 10, then e is e, do, 2. Okay.
Okay.
So il e samsa o you chilpal go sip. Okay, it is very easy to memorize. Okay, il e samsa o you chilpal go sip. Then civil cibi. Then isip again. Isip e okay, e
Yeah.
e and sip. Sip
Sip.
means 10. Okay, so isip 10, 2 times 10, that is means isip. Okay, how we say in English 21, 22, right? 23, the same.
Yeah.
Then some sip.
Okay.
Some and sip. Sip 10. Okay. Sa sip 4. Sa means 4 and sip means 10. So 4 and 10, this one is sa sip. O same. O and sip. 60. Yuk sip. 70. Yeah, 70. Chill sip.
Chill sip.
Yeah, 80. Fal sip. 90. Go sip. Okay, go and sip. So from here, 100, it is different. Okay. 100 is called in bag, and 1000 is called chon, and 10,000 is called man. Again, now it is
Man.
add man. So it is 100. 100 is called bag. So it is bag man. Okay. Bag man. And this 4 number is here. 4 number. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is man. And this is 10. Okay. 10 and 4. Simman. Okay. 100. Here it is 100. 100. Okay. And man. Man is 40 is man. 40 is man, and then here also 40 is man, and then this is sip 10. Remain is 10. So sip man. Here it is 100. 100 and plus 40 is back man. Then chon. Chon is 30. Okay, 30. 130 plus 40 is 40 is man, and 30 here it is chon. So chon man. And then last is ok. 10 million.
Okay.
So it is like that. You have to memorize this, and it is very easy. Okay. So now coming to the how to say year and month and date. Okay. So suppose today's date is 2022. 22. Sorry. Okay. 8. Okay. So 8 is month, 22 is date, and 2022 is year. So you just need to put neon. Okay. Neon is for time. Sorry, year. Okay.
Year.
Yeah, neon is for year. Okay. And and wall is for month. and il is for date. Okay, you just copy this one.
Okay.
Okay, you just copy. Sorry, copy and
Yes.
put here. Put here. Sorry, put here il. Okay, or you can write phrase, like you can just do the opposite. 22. Okay, 22 il. Okay, and 8 well. Okay, and 2022 is neon. Okay, neon. So it is now written in Korean language, but it is like this. They write like this. They put here neon. Okay, neon here. Then in between they will put this one month. Okay, their way of writing is this one. Okay,
Okay. First they'll write year,
year,
month,
then
and date.
month. Sorry, then month, then date. Okay,
Okay.
so they will write this.
Okay.
They will write in English number only. Okay, just they will put the this neon, well, and ill like this. Okay, so now
Okay.
it is written in Korean, that date, month, and time. Okay, so date is called in ill, month is well, and neon. If you put neon, then it is year. Okay,
Year.
yeah. So
Yeah.
then it is a way of writing. Okay, so how you pronounce it? Then it is, if you pronounce it in Korean totally from here to here, then it will be chon. Start from chon. See how it is here. Chon, right? Chon. Thousand. It's chon, right?
Yeah.
So this will be
Yes.
ichon. Ichon. This is two, right? This is two. So it is
Yes.
ichon. Ichon. Isip e. Ichon. Isip e. E is two, right? E is two, and it is sip.
Yes.
Yeah, isip e. Like this one, you say. Ichon. Ichon. Okay. E sip. Isip.
Each one.
Isip e. Like this. Ichon. Ichon. Isip e. Neon. Okay. And then palwal. Palwal. Wal.
Well.
Okay. Then isip e. Sip e. Il. Okay.
Is
E. Il. Okay.
E.
How we
Okay.
say in Korean. So this is Ichon, Isip E, Ichon, Isip E neon, Falwal, Isip E il. Okay, total. If you say it is in
Okay.
Korean. Okay,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So this class was for time and numbers and date. I taught you these three things. Okay, time, numbers, okay,
and
numbers
date.
and date. Okay, how to say in Korean language. Okay, in today's
Yes, sir.
class. Okay, so you just memorize it through which you have book. This is in the chapter 9. Time is in chapter 9. Okay, and this number is
Okay.
in this number one, pure Korean numerals, numerals and Sino-Korean numerals. Okay, That is both are in
Yes.
10th chapter. Okay.
10th chapter. Okay.
10th chapter, 60 number page. Or page maybe will
Okay.
be here and there, one or two page here. Okay. So this is in the 10th chapter. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So go through that chapters, and in the next class, and this will be your test. Okay. If you
Okay.
have any doubt,
Yes, sir.
any questions, you can message in the group which you have created in the app, right? You can message
Yes.
me and you can ask there also. Okay.
Okay.
So this class is done now for today's. So learn this and memorize this through book, and we'll meet up in the next class, which is on Wednesday,
Okay.
same time. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you for the joining the class. Okay. Okay. See you again in the next class. Okay. Yeah. 안녕히 계세요. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
감사합니다, 선생님. 안녕히
예,
계세요.
예, 감사합니다. 예, 안녕히 계세요.